Hey seniors, Miss Tinty here. Today you're going to be reading a story called The Landlady, and it's on a website called Common Lit. Before I read the story to you, I'm just going to quickly show you some of the features of using Common Lit that will help you as you are both reading the story and answering some questions about it. So first of all, you can see here the title and the author, Roald Dahl, and you notice font size. If you have great vision, maybe you can be good with this font, but I can't see very well without my glasses, so you can adjust the size of the font. This will give you a little background about the author, and down here you'll notice that the paragraphs are numbered every 5. Also, we see these little numbers. These little numbers, when you click on them, will give you either a definition, or in this case will tell you what the word Swindon means, that it's a location. But you can click through and you can see some of these descriptions as you're reading through. So please make sure that you are stopping and looking up what words mean if you don't know, okay? Additionally, there's also questions that are going to be provided here along the side that will help you with your reading. You can also use these tools, perhaps, oh no, just kidding, you can't annotate with these. But you can click to be able to see what the words mean as you're reading, and they are numbered for you to help you with that. Okay? I'll be reading it in the next video.